I imagine an extraterrestrial visitation of the sort that there is absolutely no evidence for, coming upon the Earth, of course, running around the sun once every year, and then listening in on what people all over the planet are saying. And they're saying, we're at the center, we're important, we're special, everything goes around us. And then I imagine the extraterrestrials thinking of us as, I don't know, the planet of the idiots. But that's too harsh, because there's a resonance here between the most obvious interpretation of absolutely straightforward observational facts that every person can verify for him or herself, a resonance between that and our emotional hopes and needs. The idea that the universe is made for us, not because of any particular merit of ours, but just because we're here, or just because we're human. To me, this seems to resonate with the same psychic wellsprings responsible for the view that our nation is special and the center of the universe, which, by the way, is the literal meaning of the Middle Kingdom for centuries applied by the Chinese to China. And even those who haven't made it that explicit, nationalists of all stripes. You can see it, by the way, in the maps, how often each nation has itself at the center of the map. And other nations look at it and say it's extremely peculiar to see Peru at the center of the map. What's it doing there? It's weird. And the same psychic wellsprings that say that our gender or our ethnic group or our particular melanin content in the skin or a particular language or headdress or clothing styles or convention of pulling out the handkerchief when we sneeze or anything is important and central, and all those alternative ways of being human are somehow less central, less important, less worthy than we are. We have a weakness, and scientists are creatures of the culture in which they swim, in which they have grown up. And so we also are vulnerable to this siren song, which we can call chauvinism or geocentrism or anthropocentrism.